Hey everyone, and welcome back. I'm Rosemary, and today we're going to be cleaning up my spare room. I have a lot of things going on, so how about you come and join me? Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out the links down below to support the content here. We start off by picking up trash. I have my cute trash bag here, and I want to clean off the floor and any trash from packagings because I do a lot of try-ons here. I really love to keep the packaging from my tights, so I put them in a box. So you can see a few here. I have my favorite brands from Rublu, CDRs, the current ones I'm wearing, which are Chesterfields, Rosie. I have a lot, so here's a little peek at the ones I've been wearing lately. You can just see the packaging. Go look if you want. But I love to keep mine, and knowing which pair goes to what is very helpful because I put these in after I wear my tights. I put them in little individual Ziploc bags with their packaging, and it makes it more high value for when I decide to resell. Quick show off of the new tights that I'm wearing. These are the Chesterfields. It's so cute. Full try on Patreon. Go check it out. But let's get back to cleaning, put these up in the box, and then they go away. I have a bunch of these hidden inside the house. Also, if you're enjoying the voiceovers, don't, because we're going back to school soon, and that's why I have to mute things because I have littles who love to play games and be loud and run around. So here we are, chit-chatting while you watch me clean. And I came in across this guy. He freaked me out. I ran away, but don't worry. We came back to clean. We came back to clean after he was thrown away. So right back at it. Pick up the trash. Let's go. Any laundry. Dirty clothes everywhere. My bad. Those go into the restroom. And now to just put stuff up. I have this cute, nifty little clothes hanger rack. It's one of my favorites. It has wheels. It's very versatile. Leather. I love leather. So here I'm just putting up my clothes. These hangers are adorable and worth it. I have velvet hangers. I am a fan of no slipping when going through my clothes. Roses. I love these roses. They're just so cute. Do you see all the aesthetics I have on here? If you follow me on Instagram, you can see some of the outfits even being put on here. On there, I've tried them on already, done little photo shoots, so go check that out. Always links in the description. Got a lot of clothes to hang up. But I really do love these hangers, and if you want to shop some of the things that I feature, go check out my Amazon shop. It's always linked down in the description. And it has a lot of the things that I purchased from Amazon, like these cute hangers, this clothes rack, even the shoe rack. I buy a lot off Amazon, and I have all these cool gadgets that you would appreciate. So go check it out. And we gotta make sure we got no monsters under the bed. So quick peek-see, nothing. JK, I'm making sure there's no trash because I kick things all the time. I found a pair of heels and another hanger, so you never know what's lurking under there. Maybe even another roach. But here I am putting everything up, making it look extra cute before it's time to roll it off. And lastly, more clothes. Dirty clothes and more clothes to hang up. I would typically zoom past this, but I kind of hate when people do those montages where they speed up footage. I'll just leave it. So enjoy seeing some of my cute things being hung up. I want to show you my little caddy I have. This is for taking things up and down the stairs easy. Anything from accessories, pasties, clickers, tripods, everything. Sometimes even like clothes and lingerie. Just they all fit in here if you fold them nicely, and it's easy to take everything up. So I like taking this one everywhere. especially when I'm getting ready to work and do photo shoots and whatnot. And this is why it's important to shop my Amazon stuff, because I pick things that are kind of versatile and very useful, easy for moving around and storage. I have a lot of things and I can't have my room looking messy, so a lot of the things I have are movable and able to hide. Example, this giant shoe rack. This shoe rack has like 30, 40 shoes on it, more sometimes, other times, because I do put more on this. And it goes in and out of my little closet here. And you can already see my closet is filled with stuff. So to have something like this fit in there and save me space when I need a clean room, it's just nice. So just watch me struggle, but trust me, if you know how to work it, you're gonna get it in there. Promise. Tips for the men. And look, just like that, it fits. But we're not done. We are not done. We have more space in this closet, and I have something else to put in. I have brought another thing with wheels. This holds a lot more clothes. I'm not going to say what because it's something else. And it just, again, fits right in there. I like using this to hold my tripod even higher sometimes for photos, but it's a useful thing that holds a lot of necessary things for me. And just like that, my room has gone from dirty to clean and organized in less than 30 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video and enjoyed hanging out with me and cleaning this room. Look at it, it's nice and clean. I want to put some more stuff in here and I can't wait to show you some more. And until next time, bye everyone.